We want to solve these simultaneous equations. We have 3x minus 4y is equal to 23, call this 1, and 4x plus y is equal to 18, call this number 2. We don't have the same number of x's or y's. But if we multiplied equation 2 by 4, we'd get 16x plus 4y is equal to 4 times 18, which is 72. Call this equation 3. Equation 1 is 3x. Take away 4y is equal to 23. We now have the same number of y's, and the signs are different. Different signs means we add. So doing equation 3 plus equation 1, 16x plus 3x is 19x. The y's of course disappear, and 72 add 23 is 95, giving us x equals 5. We now substitute back into one of the original equations. I'm going to substitute into number 2. If x is equal to 5, 4x must be equal to 20. 20 plus y is equal to 18. Take away 20 from each side gives y is minus 2. So x equals 5 and y equals minus 2 is our solution. Of course, we should always check. Looking at equation 1, if x is 5 and y is minus 2, 3 times 5 is 15. Take away 4 times minus 2, which is minus 8. This is 15 plus 8, which is equal to 23, and this is correct. Now for number 2, 4 5s are 20 plus minus 2 is 20 take away 2, which is 18, which is also correct. We now have 2x minus y is equal to minus 8, which is equation 1, and 3x plus 5y is equal to 14, which we'll call equation 2. Once again, we don't have the same number of x's, nor do we have the same number of y's. If we multiply equation 1 by 5, however, we get 5 times 2x, which is 10x, 5 times minus y, minus 5y, and 5 times minus 8, which is minus 40. Call this equation 3. Equation 2 is 3x plus 5y is equal to 14. We now have the same number of y's, and the signs are different, and since the signs are different, we're going to add. So we're going to do equation 3 plus equation 2. 13x, the y's of course will disappear. Adding minus 40 and 14 gives minus 26. Therefore x is equal to minus 2. To find y, we substitute into one of the original equations. I'm going to use number 2, and I've chosen this simply because number 1 looks more difficult with the negatives. Substituting into 2, 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, plus 5y is equal to 14. Add 6 to both sides, and we get 5y is 20, and therefore y is equal to 4. So we have x is equal to minus 2, and y is equal to 4. As usual, we're going to check this solution. Substituting into 1, 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. Take away y, which is 4, gives us minus 8, which checks out. Now using 2, 3 lots of minus 2 is minus 6, 5 fours are 20, and minus 6 plus 20 is 14. This checks out as well.